In many ways, we already, in fact, discussed precursors of this theme about collaborative learning. But in this theme, we discuss this more in depth, and especially how we should, in fact, organize collaborative learning in such a way that it will really result in productive, effective, efficient, and satisfying collaboration. Now, the theme starts with exploring, well, critiques about collaborative learning, and especially with focus on an article and a video clip, written or introduced by teachers who simply say, "I hate group work." And even the experiences of students are introduced here who have all these negative experiences about group work. This will bring us to a kind of analysis of the reasons behind these beliefs and experiences of students. And it will also introduce an alternative approach that especially focuses structure, structure, structure in the way we have to set up group work. So you will see when we explore this whole theme that we move from a negative approach towards group work to a more constructive approach where we discuss articles, research, and experiences to end up with a number of experiences that clearly show evidence about positive outcomes of collaboration. And here we have really to summarize, in fact, already more than 100 years of research about collaborative learning. In the end, research indicates when some conditions are met that collaborative learning is really superior to individual learning. But here in these examples you will see how the scripting approach is translated into giving roles to students, communication rules or content rules that predefine in fact already part of this work. We end in fact this theme prior to the portfolio activity with a focus on three topics. The topic of what kind of learning goals should be put forward in collaboration. Secondly, how should we go ahead with evaluation and feedback? And remember that we could, of course, link this theme to our peer assessment approach already introduced earlier. And thirdly, we focus on the issues about the nature of the task and the group composition and the size. This will introduce then, in fact, our final activity where you get, in fact, the portfolio. And in the portfolio activity, you will have to develop your group activity in relation to your course. And you will have to apply the principles and the ideas discussed in this theme. Good luck.